Hello my dear viewers, you are most welcome and thanks for watching. Please endeavor to subscribe if you haven't done so that we can enjoy together. Tonight we have our new topic and it is named acids and alkalis, and we have our learning outcomes, because they are saying that by the end of the topic this topic, the learner should be able to have, number one, recognize that the locally available material substances are either acidic or alkaline. Then number two, understand the concept of pH as a measure of the acids and the alkalis. Then we have number three, understand the reaction between acids and the alkalis. And today, in our introduction of this topic, I'm going to talk about acids. And under acids, for this lesson, we are going to talk of the definition of acids. That's number one. Then number two, we shall talk of types of acids. Then number three, maybe if time allows, we shall talk of acid strength. Let's now dive into the video. Begin by giving the definition of acids. So all along we've been hearing of acids. So what do you think acids are? Or we can say that what is an acid? In your own words, what is an acid, or what are acids? So we can answer this that is a chemical substance. In bracket, if you don't call it a chemical substance, it's a compound. So we are saying that an acid is a chemical substance which produce hydrogen ions, in brackets, this is the formula, as the only negatively charged ions when dissolved in water. Or an acid is a proton donor. An acid is a substance that can donate a proton. Or still, somebody can define an acid as a chemical substance which accepts an electron. Or somebody can say, that is, an acid is an electron acceptor. Yes, so we can have those definitions. They are all right. So having defined what an acid is, then let's go to types of acids. So we have types of acids. You can say types of acids. Here we have two types of acids. So there are two types of acids. We have two types of acids. We have organic acids and then mineral acids. And another name for mineral acids, you can call them inorganic acids. So let's talk of one by one. We begin with maybe organic acids. Organic. And what are they? So what are organic acids? Acids which are found, obtained from organic matter. And these organic matters can include, so you can say like plants and animals. So we are saying that these organic compounds are majorly found in plants and animals. So let's have examples of these organic acids. So we can say that examples of organic acids. The first one, we can talk of amino acids. And where this one is found? These ones are found in both plants and animals. And these ones are the building blocks of proteins. That means animals have proteins, and of which these proteins are made from the amino acids. So these ones are found in animals, major animals, and they are building blocks or building units of proteins. Then you can give another example of organic acid. We can talk of methanoic acid. This one is majorly found, can say that found in bee stings, in bee and wasp stings. So if a bee or a wasp stings you, then it is this acid, methanoic acid, which is injected into your body that causes the itching and then the inflammation or the swelling of that infected part. Then we can have the third example of organic acid. We can have maybe ascorbic acid. And this one is commonly found in fruits, major fruits, like apple, and another name for the ascorbic acids is the vitamin C. All right, we can have the fourth one, lactic acid, and this one is found in sour milk. Gasangibwa mu bongo, and there are many, we can't exhaust them. We can have the fifth one as ethanoic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acids. There are many, very many. So we can say etc, and so on and so forth. Then let's talk of mineral. Let's talk of mineral acids. Mineral acid stroke. If we don't call them mineral acids, they are called inorganic acids. And what are they? So they are acids derived stroke obtained from the naturally existing mineral elements. And let's have examples of these. So examples of mineral acids include, so we can have number one, the first and the commonest, which is hydrochloric acid. We can have the second one, sulfuric acid. And this hydrochloric acid, it can also be found in animals. As you know that we have hydrochloric acid in the stomach, which is released together with the gastric juice. However, it is majorly obtained from mineral elements or compounds. Then sulfuric acid, this one is found in batteries, car batteries. So the third one we can have phosphoric acid, and so on and so forth. So having talked of the two types of acids, let's talk of the strength. As I said, we are going to talk of the definition of acid, types of acids, and then the acid strength. So you can say strength of acids. So according to the strength of acids, still acids are categorized into two. The first one and the second one. The first one, we can categorize them as weak acids and then stronger acids. And let's talk more about each one of them. Let's start with strong acids. Strong acids. What are they? These are acids which ionize completely in water to produce many hydrogen ions. So these acids, for them, they do ionize completely, and the ionization is simply the production of the ions. We have added it into the water. This acid has to dissociate or ionize to separate the ions, the positive and the negative ions. So a strong acid is that one that can easily or that completely ionize in water, producing many hydrogen ions. So let's have examples. For example, we can have sulfuric acid. We can have hydrochloric acid. And so on, etc. So we are saying that in case you have, for example, sulfuric acid, and this is the formula of sulfuric acid. This one ionizes in water completely to give us the hydrogen ions, aqueous, plus the sulfate radical, aqueous. And here there's supposed to be two You see that here all the two hydrogen ions in one molecule of sulfuric acid are produced as this sulfuric acid ionizes in water. We can also have the hydrochloric acid, HCl. It is also ionizing to give us the hydrogen ions. Alright, having talked of the strong acids, let's also talk about today weak acids. And what are they? Said acids which do not, it's just the opposite of the other one, which do not completely ionize in water, thus producing fewer hydrogen ions. E.g. can have example, e.g. methanoic acid, carbonic acid, propanoic acid, butanoic acid, all carboxylic acids, amino acids, lactic acids, so you can say and so on, etc. And these weak acids, for them, they do not ionize completely. So we can use methanoic acid as an example. We can have methanoic acid. This is the formula of methanoic acid. Giving us the hydrogen ions. And the carboxylate group. So we can also have the carbonic acid. This is the formula of carbonic acid. It ionizes but incompletely, producing the hydrogen ions. And the carbonate radical. Alright, so and thanks for watching. Next time we shall begin by talking of the importance of acids.